So, what happened? How did it go?
Well, Grandpa was sitting in the sun and I was sweating. I was like normal hot.
And then what happened? Yeah? Yeah, do you want me to put on my